If VS Code is your go-to IDE for development, then here are few must-have extensions which will make your development much more smoother and faster. The first one is Postman, my personal favorite, which is used for managing and testing APIs within your development environment. So it becomes much more easier for you to just go ahead and test your API within your VS Code. It has an extended version as a desktop application as well as a web app, but I would recommend to keep everything in one place, so that's why I prefer this extension. Let's have a look. So here we have a Postman as an extension. As soon as you install it, you'll be able to see at the very left hand side a Postman icon will come up. Now here you can create everything, you can create a collection and you can implement everything. I have my application running. Whatever API I want to hit, I can just mention that and send it over here, and you can see I'm getting a JSON response. Again, I have another one just for a demo, and let me send it, and here as you can see I have my output as well, and here my logs are also coming in. So yeah, the second one is tab 9. It's an AI recommendation which helps you to write better codes. Let's have a look. Here I'm going to create a function and it will automatically start recommending what I want to create. Now it understands my coding pattern, and based on that it will start responding. So yeah, there you go. Third extension is Live Preview by Microsoft. It's a tool which automatically refreshes whenever you try to create any front end. So let's say you have done some changes. Now you don't need to reload your browser. It will automatically change as per your changes. So herein I have a HTML page. As soon as I right click and I click on show preview, I'll be able to get a browser. And if I do changes, it automatically changes in my web server as well. The fourth one is SQLite Viewer. It's a tool which helps you to visualize your database when you are creating a web app. So here I have already created a web application, and if you can see, I can directly visualize my database over here just by clicking on SQLite version. The fifth one is Prettier. As the name suggests, it makes your code much more prettier and much more human readable. Here I have a code. I can just right click and I can just click on format the document, and you can see it's going to format it. Here are some useful extensions. There are few more you can check in the description box. Happy coding!